Leeds International School. Primary 2 Mathematics, Chapter 5 Addition and Subtraction. Pages 73 to 91. Learning outcomes. Add a 1-digit or 2-digit number to a 1-digit or 2-digit number. Subtract a 1-digit or 2-digit number for a 2-digit number. Solve simple word problems with involving addition and subtraction. Addition. Simple addition. Smarty has 32 cubes. Tom gives him 4 more cubes. How many cubes does Smarty have altogether? We can count on from 32 on a number line to find the answer. We can also add 32 and 4 in this way. We can add 32 and 4 using the concept of place value. We first add the ones, then we add the tens. How many ones are there in 32? 2 ones. How many ones are there in 4? 4 ones. In the first step, we add the ones in both the numbers. When we add the ones, we get 2 ones plus 4 ones equals 6 ones. How many tens are there in 32? 3 tens. How many tens are there in 4? 0 tens. In the second step, we add the tens. What do you get when you add the tens in the two numbers? 3 tens plus 0 tens equals 3 tens. 3 tens and 6 ones is 36. So, when we add 32 and 4, we get 36. Tom sold 25 greeting cards on Monday. He sold another 30 greeting cards on Tuesday. How many greeting cards did Tom sell altogether? To find the answer, we can count on in tens from 25. We can solve simple word problems involving addition based on what you have learned so far. How many greeting cards did Tom sell on Monday? That is 25. How many greeting cards did he sell on Tuesday? 30. What is the question asking you to find? The total number of greeting cards Tom sold altogether. How can you find this number? By adding 25 and 30. We can find the sum by counting on using a number line. Usually, we count on from the bigger number 30 and add 25. However, to add 25 and 30, it is easier to count on in tens from 25 and 30. Counting on in tens from 25 gives 35. It means 25 plus 30, then 45, 25 plus 20, and 55, 25 plus 30. So, the sum of 25 and 30 is 55. Tom sold 55 greeting cards altogether. We can also find the answer in this way also. What is 5 ones plus 0 ones? What is 2 tens plus 3 tens? What is the sum of 25 and 30? That is 5 tens and 5 ones. It's equal to 55. Our next question is, a florist sold 21 stalks of roses and 17 stalks of sunflowers. How many stalks of flowers did the florist sell altogether? If you want to find the answer, you want to add these two numbers, 21 plus 17. Should we add or subtract to find the answer total stalk of flowers that the florist sold? Then we must add to find the total stock of flowers. Can you find the sum of 21 and 17 by counting on in tens? No. We can find the sum by first adding the ones and then adding the tens. 3 tens and 8 ones is 38. The sum of 21 and 17 is 38. The florist sold 38 stalks of flowers altogether. Add these numbers. You have given two questions here. First one, 22 plus 4. Here you can see the one side having 2 ones plus 4 ones, it's equal to 6 ones. After that you want to go to tens place. Tens place you can see here only one number, it's 2. Then 2 tens plus 0 tens equal to 2. The answer is 26. Second one, 65 plus 3. Ones place they are having 5 and 3. After adding 5 and 3, it is equal to 8 ones. Then go to tens place. Tens place having 6. 6 tens plus 0 tens equal to 6. Then the answer is 68. Addition with regrouping. Min has 38 cubes. R gives her 6 more cubes. How many cubes does Min have now? We can write the number 38 as tens and ones. So we break 38 into its number bonds 30 and 8. Then we have to break 6 up into its number bonds. What are the different numbers bonds for 6? 1 and 6, 1 and 5, 2 and 4 and 3 and 3. The aim of breaking 6 up into break number bonds into make 10 when 8 is added to one of numbers in the number bond. Which of the number bonds for 6 will allow you to do this? 2 and 4, because 2 when added to 8 gives 10. First we make 10. 8 and 2 make 10. Next we add 30 and 10. 30 plus 10 is equal to 40. Lastly we add 4 to 40. 40 plus 4 is equal to 44. We can also add the two numbers in this way also. Now let's try to add these numbers. We first add the ones and then the tens. When we add 8 ones and 6 ones, we get 14 ones. 8 ones plus 6 one is equal to 14. When we have more than 9 ones, we can no longer write the ones under one column as it is. We have to write 10 ones as 110. This is called regrouping ones into tens and ones. When we have 14 ones, we regroup the ones by writing it as 110 and 4 ones. We write the 4 ones under the ones column, but we carry over 110 to the tens column. To add the tens, we add 3 tens and the 110 that has been carried over. So, we get 4 tens. The sum of 38 and 6 is 4 tens and 4 ones or 44. Find the sum. 22 plus 9. Here you can see in the one side 2 ones plus 9 ones equal to 11 ones. But in the ones place you can't write two numbers. Then you want to break 11 into 10 ones and 1 like that. Then 10 ones go to tens place. Then they are having 110. Then 110 plus 2 tens equal to 3 tens. The answer is 31. Then the next one 75 plus 8. In the ones place you can see here 5 plus 1, 5 ones plus 8 ones equal to 13 ones. But you can write here only 3. 1 goes to tens place. Then 110 plus 7 tens equal to 8 tens. Subtraction. Simple subtraction. Tom has 27 cubes. Smarty takes away 5 cubes. How many cubes does Tom have now? We can find the answer by counting back from 27 using a number line. We start from 27 and count back. The fifth number on the number line while counting back from 27 is 22. So 27 subtract 5 is equal to 22. We can also subtract 5 from 27 in this way also. Just like we did for addition, we first subtract the ones, then the tens. There are 2 tens and 7 ones in 27, and there are 0 tens and 5 ones in 5. To subtract 5 from 27, in the first step we subtract 5 ones from 7 ones. How many ones are remaining? Here 2 ones. There are 0 tens in 5. In the second step, we subtract 0 tens from 2 tens. How many tens are remaining? 2 tens. 2 tens and 2 ones is 22. So 27 subtract 5 is equal to 22. We can also add the two numbers in this way also. Now let's try to add these numbers. We first add the ones and then the tens. When we add 8 ones and 6 ones, we get 14 ones. 8 ones plus 6 ones is equal to 14. When we have more than 9 ones, we can no longer write the ones under one column as it is. We have to write 10 ones as 110. This is called regrouping ones into tens and ones. When we have 14 ones, we regroup the ones by writing it as 110 and 4 ones. We write the 4 ones under the ones column, but we carry over 110 to the tens column. To add, we can also find the answer in this way also. First we subtract the ones. Ones place having 6 and 0. It's mean 6 ones minus 0 ones is equal to 6. After subtracting ones place, you want to go to the tens place. Tens place having 5 tens and 3 tens. Then 5 tens minus 3 tens equal to 22 tens. It's mean the answer is 26. Find the difference. Here also you can see 58 subtract 4. Ones place they are having 8 ones and 4 ones. 8 ones minus 4 ones is equal to 4 ones. Then go to tens place. Tens place having 5 tens minus 0 tens. It's mean 5 tens. The answer is 54. The second one, 65 subtract 3. The one side having 5 ones and 3 ones. 5 minus 3 is 2. The tens place 6 tens minus 0 tens is equal to 6. Answer is 62. Do these sums alone. Subtraction with regrouping. Min has 33 cubes. Smarty takes away 6 cubes. How many cubes does Min have now? Then first we need to subtract the ones, then the tens. To subtract 6 from 33, we first need to subtract ones, then the tens. Can you subtract 6 ones from 3 ones? No. Does that mean that we cannot subtract 6 from 33? No. 6 is a smaller number than 33. So, we can subtract 6 from 33. Since we cannot subtract 6 ones from 3 ones, we have to regroup the tens into tens and ones. In the first step, we subtract the ones. We cannot subtract 6 ones from 3 ones. So, we have to regroup the tens in 33 into tens and ones. As we saw earlier, we can regroup 1 of the tens into 10 ones, so we have two tens and two ones instead of three tens and three ones. To represent this regrouping, we strike out the 3 in the tens column and replace it with 2. This is to show that 3 tens have now become 2 tens. Since 1 ten has been regrouped into 10 ones and is added to the existing 3 ones, we show this by writing a 1 next to the 3 in the ones column to get 13. Now subtract the ones. 13 ones minus 6 ones is 7 ones. Next subtract the tens. 2 tens minus 0 tens is 2 tens. So the difference is 2 tens, 7 ones, so 27. Find the difference. Here also you can see 58 subtract 4. Ones place they are having 8 ones and 4 ones. 8 ones minus 4 ones is equal to 4 ones. Then go to tens place. Tens place having 5 tens minus 0 tens. It's mean 5 tens. The answer is 54. The second one, 65 subtract 3. The one side having 5 ones and 3 ones. 5 minus 3 is 2. The tens place 6 tens minus 0 tens is equal to 6. Answer is 62. Thank you.